Alright guys, today we got Kyle Lockery's C10 twin turbo. We're gonna figure out a little bit what the setup is on this truck. Alright, so what do we got here? What year is the truck?
The 85 C10, the Dart 400 small block, all forged, twin 62 Garrett's.
What do you got for EFI setup on this thing?
The Holly Sniper, the Super Sniper.
Nice.
Set up for boost.
How about your transmission? What are you running for training?
The Built 400, billet input shaft, reverse manual valve body. Got a trans brake.
Who did the metal work on this thing?
My buddy Dan, the fabricator.
Super clean. Nice work. What made you go twin turbo?
Oh, I got a deal on the turbos.
Alright, that works out. What color is the truck? Everybody says, oh, it's black. Oh, no, it's not. So what color is it? Coming from the owner, what color is the truck?
PPG Merlot Sunglow. It actually comes on like a late 2000s Harley.
It's kind of hard to see here in the camera. I hope you could see it, but
You got it in the sun, it really shows.
it's got some crazy pearl and flake in there. What do you got for a wheel setup?
The Bill of Specialties. The backs are 30 or they're 15 by 15.
That's a full tub then, huh?
Yeah. The short 9-inch rear end.
What do you got for brake setup?
The front's is stock disc brakes and the back's you get the SSBC disc brake conversion.
Where did you get the truck from? Like who built the truck?
I built the truck. It used to be my uncle's daily driver, his regular pickup truck, when I was a kid.
So you just built it up by yourself?
Yeah, just a
in the
project
garage.
over time.
Yep, that's awesome. Here, I think you could see it on the camera pretty good on this angle, the color. All right, so what do you got going on the interior?
The custom-made center console, the autometer gauges. They're newer buckets out of like a late model Monte Carlo or something like that.
All right.
That's what this factory.
Got the subwoofer in there. What do you got for a shifter?
The B&M Street Fighter.
Let me get a light so maybe you can see a little better.
The center console painted to match the truck.
Oh yeah, huh?
The dash.
Nice little detail right there. The Holly Sniper right there. Gorgeous truck. What everybody's been really waiting for is to see this thing in action.
Let's go for a ride.
All right, let's go.